Welcome to the Artificial Professor. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to clear your YouTube watch history. I'll walk you through the simple steps to achieve this. Begin by opening the YouTube application. Make sure you are signed into the account you want to manage. At the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll see the library icon. Tap on it to access your saved videos, history, and more. Once you're in the library, you'll find History among the options. Give it a tap to open your watch history. You'll now see a list of videos you've watched. If you want to remove individual videos from your history, then select 3 dots, Options. From the menu, select Remove from Watch History. This will let you remove individual videos from your history. If you want to clear your entire watch history, look for Clear Watch History at the bottom of the page. Tap on it to proceed. YouTube will ask you to confirm. If you're sure you want to proceed, tap on Clear Watch History. And that's it. You've successfully managed your YouTube watch history right from your phone's library. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.